Okay, so with this final part, we're going to create a new part on a work plane. So if I just quickly look at the work planes, the right plane there you can see is running right down the middle. So we're going to create a shaft that runs just up in there, and we're going to use the right plane as the plane on which to create it. So if I can pop there and spin this around and go normal 2 on that, and if I select my right plane, and I'll go back to my assembly and create a new part using the right plane. Again, select my default template, and we're going to call this one Vise Screw. So Vise Screw, we're going to call this one, and I just save it into the same folder again. So when I pop that back into the top 10 assembly modeling and save that one in there. So we save it in with all the rest of them. So we've got that. Now I can't really see where things are, so if I just put that back to hidden, you'll see if you can see the outline there of that. So that little outline, that's the area I want to pop my shaft in. So if I create that on the center line, there's the center line. So now if I select my right plane as my face for creating my part, I'm good to go now, so I can create my lines. So if I roughly sketch in what it is I'm looking for, somewhere along there, we can pop in the dimensions in a moment. So roughly there, and approximately there, and let's try and get that. Yeah, I'm not going to get it, so I'll just kind of do that, and I'll draw a center line in just to trim that off. That's where I go. So I trim that off. There we go. So that's that one. I'm going to get rid of these little additional center lines now. So that's my component. So we're ready to kind of pop in a few dimensions now. So let's check out the dimensions on that. This front face here is to be 1 mil, and the gap between here and here, try that again. Okay, so it won't let you kind of, it's not letting me pick that line. So what I can actually do is I can pick on the end point there and that, and produce that little dimension, 0.5. Okay, because that's a curve, it's not letting me pick on that. And come down here again. Again, if I try the same thing with this one, you see the second can be converted into a line or a circular arc. So again, I'm going to have to kind of pop on the end point of that line and that, and change that to 0.5 as well. And well, so I got the overall length of it then is going to be 120, and that's my part created. So if I look at that as an isometric view and change it back to that, now we can exit the sketch, and I can do a revolve feature. So that's my revolve part, and we're going to let it close automatically at 360 degrees, and it found the axis of revolution. So we're good to go, and that's that shaft completed and in position. And I just hide that temporarily just to show you that I got that shaft in there, and put it back on again. Okay, so that's that shaft in position.